There's something incredibly special about red velvet cupcakes. They're soft, rich, and beautifully indulgent, the kind of dessert that feels made for sharing moments, not just eating. Today, I'm walking you through several dreamy red velvet cupcake variations, all starting from the same classic base recipe, and ending with unique, unforgettable flavors that are perfect for Valentine's Day or any sweet occasion. Let's begin with the classic red velvet cupcake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius, and line a muffin tin with cupcake liners. In a large bowl, whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of red food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix gently until smooth. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. This keeps the cupcakes light and tender. Fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full, then bake for 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely before frosting. For the classic finish, frost with cream cheese frosting made by blending cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar until fluffy and smooth. Now let's move on to the first variation. Red velvet cupcakes with raspberry filling. Prepare the same red velvet batter as before. Fill each cupcake liner halfway with batter, then spoon 1 teaspoon of raspberry jam directly into the center. Cover with a little more batter until the liner is 2/3 full. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then cool completely before frosting with cream cheese frosting. The tart raspberry center adds a beautiful contrast to the rich red velvet cake. Next, let's create red velvet cupcakes with whipped cream frosting. Bake the cupcakes using the classic red velvet recipe. Once cooled, prepare the frosting by whipping 1 cup of heavy whipping cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until soft peaks form. For best results, make sure your bowl and beaters are chilled. Gently spread or pipe the whipped cream over the cupcakes for a light, airy finish that melts in your mouth. Now for a rich and indulgent option. Red velvet cupcakes with Nutella frosting. Bake the cupcakes using the same base recipe and allow them to cool. For the frosting, beat together 1 cup of Nutella and ½ cup of softened butter until creamy. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, mixing until smooth and spreadable. Frost the cupcakes generously, and if you'd like, top them with hazelnuts or chocolate shavings for extra texture. Finally, let's finish with a festive favorite. Red velvet cupcakes with maraschino cherry topping. Prepare and bake the cupcakes using the classic recipe. For the frosting, mix ½ cup of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until smooth. Once the cupcakes are cooled, frost each one, then top with a well-drained maraschino cherry. For extra flavor, you can add a small splash of cherry juice to the frosting. Each of these red velvet cupcake variations offers something a little different, from fruity and light, to rich and indulgent, to playful and romantic. No matter which version you choose, these cupcakes are more than dessert. They're a way to slow down, create something beautiful, and share a moment that feels meaningful. Be sure to check out this video for more.